Welcome back, Dave here for another Brighture's Learning English with Ease. Today's sound, F. Great news! Brighture is offering free trial lesson and assessment at brighture-edu.com. Plus, you get an extra lesson if you click on the link in the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Click the link and I'll see you in class. How do we produce the F sound? 2 steps. Step 1. Touch your upper teeth against the lower lip, like this. Then, push air between the teeth and the lower lip. Let's read some examples. Please repeat after me. Fan, fan. Fish, fish. Food, food. There are 2 common mistakes in producing the F sound. The first one is rounding your lips and not touching your upper teeth against the lower lip. So it sounds like this. Who, who. That sounds like an H sound. So let's have an example. How do you read this word again? Right. Fan. Fan. Well, some students mispronounce this word as Juan. Juan. If you look at the difference with my mouth, the first one, I'm touching the upper teeth against the lower lip. Fan. The second one is I'm rounding my lips. Juan. Now, remember, touch the teeth and the lower lip. Fan. Let's have another example. Now, remember, for this word, touch. So, please repeat. Fish. Fish. That's correct. Another mistake is when students touch the upper teeth and the lower lip, but produce a sound like this. V, v. That is a V sound. So let's look at this example. Now, how do we read this correctly? Right, it's food. Food. While some may produce this as vood. Vood. Now, push an air, not a sound. Food. Food. That's right. Let's read some sentences. Now, read with me. Frank found fresh flowers. Frank found fresh flowers. Let's have another sentence. Now, listen carefully first. A fat frog fell. Oh no, did you notice? The fat is I'm rounding my lips. Remember, touch the upper teeth and lower lip. Push an air. Fat. How about the other one? Fell, it was vel. That's a strong sound. Produce an air sound instead. Fell. So how do we read the sentence correctly? A fat frog fell. A fat frog fell. That's a wrap for this sound, so if you want to learn more, check out our other pronunciation videos. See ya!